A common question we hear at Sonatafy is, what is staff augmentation and how can it help my business? We like to think of staff augmentation as essentially a service offered as a midway point between full outsourcing and in-house development. In many cases, a firm may need additional talent that the traditional hiring process can't readily provide. Need help meeting a tight deadline? Staff augmentation is for you. Under a staff augmentation model, a business can immediately hire proven experts through Sonatafy Technology in a matter of days or even hours. With so much accessibility, it's easy to see why staff augmentation can dramatically help you reach your goals on time. Learn more today by following the links in the description box below. And as always, check out more videos in our Sonatafy Defined web series.